ang iyong purpose rather than your agenda. Ano yung purpose? Pakisabi, purpose. Your purpose must be ahead of your agenda. Pag sinabing purpose, yung dahilan, your reason why you share the business. Ang agenda, yung pera. Huwag natin unahin yung pera. Alam niyo, pag inuha niyo yung purpose, why you do the business, why you share the business, sunod-sunod ang agenda. Tama? So, ang education, you cannot give what you don't have. My suggestions, there are about, siguro I chose about 5 applicable things, applicable steps that you can do kasi napakarami. Don't get me wrong, hindi po ito lang. There are so many things, pero I chose 5 to 6 that I think it's relevant nowadays. Lalo na sa mga katulad kong Gen Z. Kasi dito ang Generation Alpha. Kahit sa mga baby boomers, okay, medyo tagal na. Okay, now, your first action step, because you cannot share what you don't have and what you do not know. Suggestion po sa inyo is to equip yourself. You educate yourself. Alam niyo po, okay yung copy-paste. Okay yun, kasi it's proven. But you have to understand why it is being done. Bakit ginagawa? You have to understand anong kailangan gawin at anong mga kailangan. Don't just copy and paste. It will work somehow, but it won't last.
Yes, not long term.
Hindi ko sinasabing it won't work. Hindi tatagal. Siguro sa online, copy-paste is okay. Eh paano pag meron kang nakasalubong, nakasabay mo sa tricycle, tinanong, Adrian, ano nga yung ginagawa mo? Paano mo ika-copy-paste? Are you following? You have to educate yourself. Let them know what you can offer before you can serve and educate people. Huwag niyo pong tignan mukhang ATM yung mga prospect. Uy, 500 yun ah. Uy, 100 yun. E tatlo sila. Uy, mas 50 yun. Dapat makita sa inyo ng prospects na you are somebody who can assist, serve, and help them. Can you say assist? Serve, and help. Hashtag ASH. Dapat ang dating niyo po parang consultant.
Ulo pa lang ni ano.
Hindi nagbebenta ka agad. Do you follow?
Lipat mga tatap.
Magbenta agad. Ipoport. So sometimes, again, pasensya na kayo based on my experience. Based on what I saw, not only here in the Philippines, but also outside the Philippines. It won't last pag puro benta-benta lang na iniisip mo. Kumita. Siguro napipilitan tayo, kailangan bumili to. Kasi 2 linggo na ako hindi kumakain eh.
Busog na rin.
Wala na kami ulam dito sa harap eh. Batoong na lang eh. Pero sa usawan mo, kare-kare naman. Let me just borrow what the great Zig Ziglar mentioned. You know Zig Ziglar? Excellent salesperson, renowned author, motivational speaker, sabi niya, you have to be before you can do, and do before you can have. Be, do, have. Pakisabi, be, do, have. You want unlimited prospects, tama ho?
Yes.
You want unlimited prospects because unlimited prospects would lead you to unlimited income, unlimited partners, retailers, tama ba? Pero it doesn't end there. Bago makuha, you have to do things. Pakisabi, do. You have to do things. And it doesn't end. Hindi mo pwedeng doing lang. How can you do something if you yourself do not know what to do? Is that right? Alam niyo po, dapat i-invite mo. Hindi ito kasi wishful thinking lang. This is not a lottery. Kuha ko. I'm hoping with my current list, 100, lalabas dito ang Agila. 99 na lang. 70 na lang. Pag 20 na lang, 20 na, 10 na lang, 10 na lang. Pag naubos yung 10, ayoko na. In fact, based on my experience, yung three accounts kasi ako agad eh. Yung 4 gumagalaw. Kaagad kaya mabilis po. Natural ko, kaya ko sinasabi yun, hindi para magmayabang. Posible. Tandaan nyo, during our time, 2009, 2006, yung isa, ano po yun eh, wala pang boosting. Do you follow? Organic, natural, mano-mano. When I went to Africa, distributor po ako, 2012. Wala pang opisina nun. Pagdating ko doon, 2 weeks after, meron akong 73 directs.
Wow.
Yung 73 directs, 73 people. Hindi yung may 7 accounts, no. I'm not saying magaling ako. Kasi tinrabaho ko. Kasi posible. Lalo na nowadays, you are way too advanced. Meron kayong mga boosting, you have different steps, strategies, lalo na ngayon. Develop the challenges. You're not doing it. Kinahihiya mo ang network marketing. Networking nga, networking. O hindi oh. Oh, I remember when I joined, alam niyo po ako po'y restaurant manager sa isang malaking kumpanya. I've been traveling in different parts of the Philippines and abroad. Kaya nung lumipat, naging networker ako, sabi ng mga kaibigan ko, mga fellow corporate people, may mga taga-corporate world ba rito, yung mga nagtatrabaho sa, meron ba taas? Ang nahiya tuloy. Alam niyo, sabi sa akin, Sir Adrian, networking ka daw. Alam niyo, Sir, networking ka daw. Sabi ko, hindi. Networker ako. Wrong pronunciated ka eh. Sabi ko, I'm an international networker. I'm a professional networker. Hindi mo nakakahiya. You're not doing something wrong.
Yes, tama.
In fact, this is a very noble profession.
Yes.
You can change lives of people,
Yes.
regardless of your status. Pero siyempre hindi mo na ako nagalit kasi re-recruiting ko yan eh. Ha?
Prospect.
1.5 ka pag nagalit. Huwag niyo ikahiya. Sabi mo, huwag kang mahiya.
Proud networker.
I embraced it. In-embrace ko talaga. Sabi sa akin, bakit may opisina kayo? Sabi ko, mamili ka during that time sa 130 branches all over the Philippines. Eh sa abroad, sa kontinente mo gusto. Those are your offices. Okay, mahiya. Now, I want you to be somebody. Huwag kayong fan. Hinati. Natutunan ko. Meron daw fan or follower lang. Tingnan mo yung katabi mo kung fan. Alam mo yung fan?
Yes. Electric pa.
Yung taga-picture lang ng grupo.
Ano?
Yung pag may event, taga-palakpak.
Kala ko electric.
Fans na. There's nothing wrong with that. Ito daw, yung merong mental list. Yung listahan ng kakausapin nandirito. Apply. Nasa puso ko lahat ng prospect ko. Tawag doon.
Yabang.
Fan lang. Kaya, there's nothing wrong with that. Pero kaya siguro baka wala ka masyado nakakausap. Do you follow? You have to be an amateur. Apply, meron akong listahan. May prospect list. Amateur. Sino yung mga listahan? Natakot mo tuloy.
Kami.
Pag ganyan daw, amateur. Nothing wrong with that. Kasi pag amateur naman, okay din. Kaya hindi tatagal. Kaya even outside the industry, everyone wants to be professional. Tama ba?
Yes. Di ko rin siya
Name it. Basketball. Boxing. Ayaw nila mo napiling amateur because yung pera nasa pagiging professional.
Sa site.
Do you follow? Kaya, I want you to be a professional network marketer. Pakisabi sa katabi mo, I am a professional network marketer. Oh, sabihin mo sa katabi mo, oy, professional to. May listahan ka, pero you are consistently updating it, ma'am. Regularly, palagi. Hindi yung nilista mo 200 tapos na no. Pag sinabing active, updated dapat yung product, prospect list.
Yes.
Do you follow? Now, let me continue. Okay, let me continue. This is my suggestion. I want you to make a comprehensive list. Suggestion, pakisabi comprehensive.
Comprehensive.
Pag sinabing comprehensive, include all. Pakisabi all. Huwag kang mamili. Do not think for your prospect.
Yes.
Do not prejudge. Sabi ng iba, huwag mo ito ihusgahan. Sama mo lahat. Basta humihinga.
Tama. Humihinga ka.
Naalala ko yung kaibigan ko. Yung isang downline ko. Tago na lang natin sa pangalan Bogart. Sabi Bogart. Bogart, sabi, apply. Wala masyadong makausap. Sabi ko, ano ka ba? Dami-dami. Yung baklase nung, sabi niya, mayaman na yun eh. O yung isa, mahirap yun eh. Eh yung sa kabilang class, matanda na yun eh. Eh yung isa, sobrang bata eh. Do you follow? Do not decide for your prospect. Ilagay mo kahit sino. Pakisabi kahit sino.
Kahit sino?
Lahat isama mo.
Yes.
Kahit yung kaaway mo. Kahit yung mga inggitero sa GC nyo. Yung pang nagiging successful ka, naiinggit. Isama mo.
Yes.
Sama mo silang lahat. Kahit hindi mo sila iimbitahin. Isama mo. Pakisabi isama.
Sama.
Hindi ko sinasabing isali mo. Isama mo. Can you say, add them up? Add them. Now, sino yung may cellphone? Pag wala kang cellphone sa panahon na ito, may problema ka. Lahat ng nasa the directory, ilagay mo. Isama mo. Sir, ba't ilalagay? I-memorize ko na eh. Pag hindi nakasulat, nakakalimutan.
Tama.
Can you say that? Pag hindi nakasulat,
Pag hindi
Nakakalimutan.
nakakalimutan or nakakalimutan.
sa EDSA dumaan kayo. Alam niyo EDSA?
Yes.
Diyan o. Banda doon. Ang daming billboards, tama? Pero pag makikita niyo sa billboards, what's up there are famous products and people. Do you follow? Bakit nilalagay? Kasi pag hindi nakikita, nakakalimutan. So, kailangan talaga may journal kayo. Yung wala sa cellphone mo, baka nasa email mo. Add them up sa journal. Ilagay nyo. Yung wala sa email, baka naman nasa social media. Check mo. Ilagay sa listahan. You must have a journal. Now, what will you do with this? I want you to find people. Pag sabi, find people.
Find people.
Add people.
Add people.
And then message.
Message.
Can you say fam? Find, add, and message. Hindi ko sinasabing recruit, hindi ko sinasabing presentahan. Find, add, and message.
Find.
Hindi man ngayon, soon, mapipresentahan mo. Do you follow?
Yes.
Hindi mo pa lang i-add, pipresentahan mo na. Ili-leader sa amin mo pa. Now, when you connect, maiksing suggestion, can you say, Lord? When you message them, talk about their location, their occupation, recreation, perhaps their targets or dreams. Huwag munang pasalihin, Ryan. Isa sa top 20 natin nandito sa harap. Connect muna. Pakisabi connect.
Connect.
Now, constantly. Pakisabi constantly. Pag sinabing constantly, palagi. Pakisabi palagi. Palagi update nyo. Pakisabi update. Pag in-update nyo, yan o. Meron kayo niya? Can I hear you? Meron kayo niya? Church mates them, the neighbors. Tama ba? Pero I'm not saying you hunt them down. Huwag kayong parang predator. 500. 1 pile. 2 bangka. 3 bangka. Huwag kayong hunting. Pakisabi, huwag mag-hunting. Nobody wants to be hunted. Tama ba? Yung hinahanap pa nga lang ng nanay mo, kinakabahan ka na eh. Kuya, hinahanap ka ni nanay. Wala, ba't kayo? Uy, hinahanap ka ni boss. Wala, ba't kaya? Uy, hinahanap ka ng teacher. Nobody wants to be hunted. Na pag-iisip, huwag niyong i-hunt. Ang gagawin niyo, add them up. Pakisabi, add them up.
Add them up.
Isama po sa listahan. Now, second degree of separation. Kala nyo, nadulas ako, no? Pakisabi, second degree.
Second degree.
Anong ibig sabihin niya? Ewan ko na lang kung maubusan kayo ng prospect, ha? Yung mga friend mo sa Facebook, may Facebook kayo?
Yes.
Oh, sabi nila yung Facebook daw sa matatanda. May TikTok kayo?
Yes.
And so on and so forth. Check who they know. Yung kaibigan mo, check kung sino yung kakilala nila. Baka kakilala mo rin. Can you say, add them up? Dagdag mo sa listahan.
Add them up.
Sabihin mo, dagdag mo.
Dagdag mo.
Huwag iimbitahin. Dagdag muna. Dumadami ba ang prospect mo?
Yes.
Okay. Dumadami ba? Sa cellphone nyo na lang, gano'ng karami yan?
Tama.
Can you imagine second degree of separation? Facebook, email, do you follow?
Yes.
Now, raise your awareness. Pakisabi, raise your awareness.
Raise your awareness.
Lumabas kayo ng bahay. Lumabas kayo ng hub. Yung kapitbahay nyo, dun kung nasa yung hub nyo, yung binibilihan nyo ng tubig, yung pinapagupitan mo ng buhok, you are meeting people every day. Tama po? Sama mo sila sa listahan. Yung may magandang serbisyo binigay sa'yo, kumain ka sa restaurant, add them up. Yung mga nakilala mo sa party, pumunta ka, add them up. Yung pumunta ka sa binyag, sa kasal. Di ba meron ka mga nakaka-table? Tama ba? Add them up. Pero I'm not saying you distribute business card, you distribute flyers, at worst, huwag kang mag-present. Father, bago po mag-kiss the bride, pwede po bang ipakilala ko muna yung produkto? It won't work. Sometimes it will, but most of the time, it will backfire. Tama? Pumunta yung mga tao sa kasal, sa binyag, hindi para makinig sa demo mo. May pangarap po ba kayo, Father? Pastor, open-minded ka ba? Yung kinasal, ha? Insure mo na yung asawa mo. Baka madisgrasya at mamatay ang bukas. Can you say, add them up?
Add them up.
Ilalagay ko lang muna po sa listahan. I'll give you the deal breaker later. Add them up. Padami ng padami. Dumadami na ba ang nasa isipan ninyo? O ano pa? Attend in-person events. Hindi yung event natin. Ayun, buti na lang matenda ko ngayon. Daming prospect. Hoy! Kasali na yung mga yan. Ang sinasabi kong attend in-person events, let's say, trade shows. Sa MOA, ang daming trade shows. Tama ba? Ang daming car show. Go out and then meet interesting people. Add them up. Di ba, no? Wala munang rekrutan. Huwag niyo yung may mo palang nakilala. Halimbawa, sa kasal, dito, hi, my name is Adrian. Hello po, kamusta? You do not propose a marriage to someone whom you just met. Uulitin ko, hindi ka nagpo-propose ng kasal sa ngayon mo lang nakilala. Pag ginawa mo yung lalaki ka, may tama ka. At ang mas may tama, yung babae na sumagot, yes, I will marry you. What do I want to tell you? You do not sell something to someone whom you just met. Hindi mo pa sasalin, gusto mo ba ng global package? May ganito, kawas to. No. Are you following? Yes. Nasusundan niyo po ba?
Yes.
In person, pumunta kayo. Tapos ano pa? New hobbies. Sumali kayo. Ako, yung ibang mga na-record ko during our time, nahilig kami sa gym. SC 24/7 nun. Sabi ko, meron ako mga for protein, mga ganun. Bumibili. Do you follow? During these occasions, alam niyo po ba, may mga natural prospects. In fact, one of my stronger leg nanggaling sa gym. Kasi health conscious siya, ang ganda ng effect sa kanya ng C24/7. During that time, yung complete pa lang wala pang C24/7. Nag-resign sa work, director sa isang call center nag-resign, ni-recruit yung kanyang mga tao, and the rest is history. Ang maganda, sa ilalim mo siya. Do you follow? Okay, and of course, never stop. Pagkasabi, huwag hihinto. Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, huwag hihinto! Huwag hihinto! Mag-add! Walang hihintong mag-add! Think about this. Can you imagine adding 2% a day? May ang goal mo, short goal bro. Pag lumabas ka, kailangan makilala akong dalawa ngayon. Kasi I need to add them up. Do you follow? At huwag re-recruitin muna. Kaya ka nagre-recruit agad, nagbebenta kasi nga wala kang makausap eh. Tama o tama? Alam niyo po? Now you have a list. Hopefully ang dami. Tama ko ba? Before I end, what will you do with the list? I want you to categorize it. Ayusin mo. Hot market, lukewarm, or cold. Hot, syempre kakilala. Lukewarm, acquaintances. Cold, di mo kilala. Sila ba'y baby boomers? Yung mga pinanganak ng mga 1946 to something, di ba? O sila ba'y Generation X? Sila ba'y Millennials, Gen Z, or Generation Alpha? Categorize it. However, whatever you like it. User ba to? Retailer or network builder? Empleyado? Estudyante or business people? You know why? Can you say why?
Why?
Because you have a different approach for a different person.
Yes.
Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin sa mga baby boomers, lifestyle, yati tayo, yati. Pwede naman pero parang hindi na yung gusto nila. Tama ba? You have to give them what they need, what they want. Iba ang want, ang interest, ang need, ang challenges ng bawat category. Do you follow?
Yes.
Kaya minsan, pag tinanong ka na, what do you do, Adrian? Hindi sakto yung binibigay mo sagot. Do you follow? And of course, again, remember this. Education. Pag sabi education, this is your goal. These are the things that you need to do. I hope you will put into practice something that you have learned today.
Yes.
Did you learn something today?
Yes.
Taas ang kamay na may natutunan ngayong araw. Meron. Sige ulit, taas ang kamay. Yung ito. Meron naman pala. Dito sa kabila, meron? Alam niyo po, I've noticed, probably yung iba rin sa inyo, may mga cellphone mas mabili kesa sa iba. Tama? May mga cellphone mas in demand versus other cellphone. Nung chinecheck ko, hindi naman sa itsura eh. Hindi naman sa color, probably for some reason. Pwedeng color, itsura, yung nipis, yung bigat. Pero most of the time, ang reason kaya mas mabili ang isang cellphone kesa dun sa iba is because of the application it has. Did you learn something today?
Yes.
Have you learned something today?
Yes.
Ang challenge ko po sa inyo is to put into practice what you have learned today.
Yes.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Let's give